Welcome back to Unwrapped, where we're catching up on crispy snacks. And there's one that's cheesy as well. It's called the Dorito, and we're going to find out how this tangy triangle got its start and learn just a little bit about the special cheese blend that makes it so easy to lick your fingers.
There's a new beat in things to eat. Doritos.
The year was 1961, and a new snack called Doritos danced its way onto the chip scene as Frito-Lay's first tortilla chip. And by 1988, Doritos had become the world's largest selling chip, a trend that continues today with 10 different flavors.
We make about 8 million bags of Doritos a day, and that's about 2 billion bags a year.
And the taste that's been tops for Doritos since 1972 is nacho cheese. Here at Frito-Lay's Frankfort, Indiana plant, these cheesy chips start out as cooked yellow corn.
The corn is cooked for a couple of reasons. One, to soften the husk that's on the corn, and then second, to also have the corn absorb some moisture so that we can make the masa, or the dough that we use to make the Dorito.
Soft dough extrudes into thick sheets that are secretly thinned out and stamped into a series of triangles. Once cut, they quickly make their way into a 500-degree hot box.
Before we fry the Dorito, it passes through a series of ovens, and at that point it's very much like a tortilla. Doesn't have its crunchy flavor at all.
The heat from the oven actually pulls moisture out of each pliable chip and prepares them for a deep-fried dip. Once they hit the 300-degree corn oil, it takes a mere minute for the chips to take on their crisp. Then it's time for a bit of flavor. And to get that cheesiness, some bovines are working overtime.
It takes about 10,000 cows to make all the cheese for our Doritos.
The cheese recipe is top secret, but what is known is that it's a blend of Romano, Parmesan, and cheddar, with just enough spice to keep us on our toes.
Olé.
The word Dorito is actually a derivative of the Spanish word dorado, which means golden or little bits of gold. Thanks for watching. See us again next time when we unwrap more secrets behind America's favorite foods. I'm Marc Summers.